The beautiful new color option for the iPhone 17 Pro has already sparked a lot of debate online. The iPhone 17 Pro's orange tint, which some have termed Desert Titanium on steroids, is a fiery take on Apple's traditional color palette. It is vibrant, striking, and unmistakably different from the standard silver, black, or gold finish that Apple fans are used to. Opinions on its appearance differ. Some like the daring new concept, while some believe it deviates too much from Apple's signature look. Apple is introducing tech-woven phone cases, which are expected to be more durable than previous fine-woven cases, as well as a new hue. The previous cases had a short lifespan and frequently broke soon after use. The tech-woven case addresses this issue by providing more protection without losing style. Even if you don't want to hide a sleek phone, these new cases look significantly nicer than the conventional silicone ones. We already know how the orange iPhone 17 Pro will look with the new tech-woven case, thanks to a meticulously made imitation gadget. In real life, the bright orange phone and the sienna-colored tech-woven cover make an eye-catching and trendy combination. The new cases will also be available in a variety of other colors, including black, blue, green, and purple, to provide buyers more alternatives to fit their individual preferences. It's important to realize that, despite developments, tech-woven isn't unbeatable. Because of the nature of the substance, it may wear out faster than silicone, even if it should last longer than fine women. Scratches and some fraying may appear over time, therefore this case may not remain immaculate forever. According to internet feedback, there is still a noticeable increase in terms of design and durability when compared to previous fine-woven cases. The new tech-woven cases and the orange iPhone 17 Pro have caused a lot of controversy. According to a recent survey, more than 46% of respondents think the orange iPhone 17 Pro looks bad, while 35% think it looks great. The others are still hesitant or don't give a damn. This seems that Apple is taking a bet with the new color, maybe foregoing some of its classic elegance in favor of something bolder and more distinctive. Another fascinating shift in Apple's accessory strategy is the new braided tech case. It indicates that the company prioritizes both style and protection. For example, the orange phone Sienna case appears to be a designer item rather than a protective cover. It's clear that Apple is striving to combine functionality with style, which many customers enjoy. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.